Hi, friends! Welcome to zipBoard and welcome to the future of PDF reviews. By the way, my name is Cha. I work here at zipBoard as a customer success manager. I've actually been with the company for 1 year and 2 months. And today, we are thrilled, or I am really excited to unveil our latest innovation, which is the new PDF player. This will be your ultimate solution for seamless PDF collaboration. But let's take a moment to reflect on the challenges of the past that have led us here. While other tools have set the standard for PDF functionality, we've heard the specific challenges that faced by some industries, particularly the AEC teams with document reviews. The need for more robust markup features to ensure accuracy and precision has been a constant demand. Our existing PDF player was a solid foundation. But as the complexity of design annotations grew, so did the need for more advanced tools. And the delays caused by, let's say, inefficient document handling were clear signals that it was a time for us to do an upgrade. And recognizing these challenges, we set out to create a solution that would streamline the way we interact with PDF documents. And now, after countless hours of development and feedback from users like you, new Annotations is here to define the PDF markups as we know it. So basically for this demo, we will have a 3 agenda. First one would be, what are the tools to streamline the workflow? Second, what are the additional markup tools in our new PDF player? The third agenda, what you should do next after this demo. So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and dive into our new player. Okay, so when you try to review a PDF document, this is what the new feature looks like. To give context, this is our old PDF player. So as you can see, this is where the annotation tools are located. We also have here our task and some zoom capabilities on the upper side of our screen. Let's just exit for this one and let's go dive in here. So our first agenda, we need to identify the tools that would streamline our process or our workflow. So the first thing would be this panel icon in this side. So you can now navigate the documents easily because you can click through the pages and it eliminates the need for extensive scrolling in this side. So the panel also offers zoom capabilities for, visibility and includes the thumbnail view for quick navigation. Next thing would be our controls beside the panel. So if you could click on this, you will have multiple options to tailor your viewing experience according to your preferences and project requirements. You can do continuous pages if you want to transition your page, or you can do also page by page. Rotation, this is so good, especially for enhancing viewing control. This is actually useful for documents with varied orientations. Or you can select a certain page layout. You can do single. If you prefer double, you could also do that. Or if you prefer it this way, feel free to do so. Third, we have our zooming capabilities. Actually, this is already a feature in our past player, but one thing that I really love with the updated player is this Marquee zoom. So basically, if you're going to click on this, you can select this part and it will automatically zoom in. But you do have multiple options to select in this part though. Next thing, the search bar. So the purpose of this one is to search some data or keywords within the document. You have these 2 options in this side. Another thing is our comments panel. This is actually, there's a huge improvements in this side. You can sort them by position or any of these. You can also utilize filters, although this already exists in our previous player. And you can respond to the comments in this side. One thing that I really love, if you are the project head or the approver, you can actually see this data in right here. You can directly accept or reject a comment within the document. Then let's go to our settings tab. By clicking this menu right here, you can do full screen. You could also print the page. You can switch to dark mode if you'd like. but let's stick with the light mode. Or you can switch the language. This does not translate the entire page or the document, okay? This only translate, for example. Okay, so as you can see, the options are now in a different language. Okay, so those are the tools specifically designed to enhance your workflow. Now, for our second agenda, we are going to talk about all of the annotation tools in our new player, regardless if they are part of the old player or they are additional tools. As you can see at the top, we have 5 tabs in this side. View is basically used to just view the document without having the need to annotate everything or anything right here. Next to that would be the Annotate tab. So this tab, users can access different basic annotation tools to mark up the document effectively. So this highlight is actually part of our old player. So is this freehand and freehand highlight. Next to this is the Underline, the Strikeout, and this Squiggly. They kind of work the same. Basically, you have to highlight some words or phrases within the document and it will automatically underline that part and you can leave some comments in there. Next would be this note. This is actually represented by a call out box. So basically, if you're going to click on that and click on any part of the document, you will have this little tool and you have the ability to comment in this side. So you could also edit or delete your comment. Text actually goes the same way. This is part of our old player. So is the rectangle box. The Shapes tab is actually pretty cool. So this is our very new sets of annotations. This is kind of designed specifically for the AEC teams in mind because this tab introduces essential tools for precise document annotation and markup. My favorite thing about all of the features right here would be the Polygon because this is super helpful, especially for complex design. So let's say, for example, this one right here, let's just gonna do that kind of like this. And the best thing about this, as I just want to let you know that any of the markup tools, you could actually add links right here, or you can jump into a specific page in the document. Okay. All right. I also want to emphasize that if you click on any of these markups, or even in the annotation tool, you have these options or customization in this side. If you're going to click on this, you have the option to style the text, the colors, and the opacity. Same way with other shapes right here. So it really depends on the annotation tool. The customization actually varies. Okay, another thing would be this circle or what we call the ellipse, the arc, and this polyline, which is actually super cool. Kind of works the same with the Polygon. We have more annotations here and shapes, so feel free to explore as they kind of serve almost the same purpose to mark up your document. You could also undo your actions or erase your freehand annotations. Another thing that I'm really excited to share with you folks would be the Insert tab. So if you could click on here, you have some options. Basically, you could add a signature. This is already a feature in our old player. You can upload your signature in your own file. You could add rubber stamp. This is super cool. If your document needs approval, you could actually customize one by clicking create a new stamp. You can do here, let's say approved as an example. You can change the font style and all of this in this side. Then you can click on create. Once done, you can just select any part of the document and click. Then it's actually marked as approved. Fun thing, you can now insert images within your document. All you have to do is simply click on the image, then select any area of your document, click on that, and this will open your file and you can select some pictures right here, just like this one. Okay. The last tab at the top of this PDF player would be the fill and sign. So in this part, we all still have the signature, the text from the Annotate tab, but our new feature introduces you these 3 symbols or stamps, which we call the cross, the tick or the check mark, and then the dot. The rubber stamp is the same with the Insert tab, but the thing is that you can now add stamps for your calendar. So in this side, it's really helpful for record tracking because you can definitely add those dates every time. Now you have a record when you folks actually finish this. At least all those good stuff is really, really cool. Now, with all of the annotations that you have, you could also use our pan feature to just basically scroll down. Okay. And then the select icon to select some specifics if you wish to do so. All right, that is everything that you need to know to our new player. So Zipboard really provides an intuitive platform for document collaboration, catering to users across diverse industries. We offer precise annotation tools, comprehensive comment management, and customizable settings. This streamlines your workflow and enhances communication, and users report completing reviews up to 50% faster with Zipboard. So our goal really is to help your team avoid costly mistakes and project delays, and of course, facilitating a smoother transition from reviews to the next project stage. Now, what are you going to do after this demo? So one thing that you should do is visit our website, zipboard.co. I highly encourage you to try our 14-day free trial by clicking on the free sign up button in our website. And you can experience our updated PDF player within Zipboard. So I hope I was able to help you folks navigate through the platform. And if you do have any questions, do let us know by contacting us at support@zipboard.co. Have a great day, everyone.